So your 1A Auto part just arrived in the mail and you're ready to install it into your vehicle, but you're not sure where to get started. Well, luckily for you, on the side of the box there's a sticker with a QR code that you could scan. It'll bring you to an instructional video on how to install your exact part. Let's go over how to scan your QR code. We'll start with an Android device. Open it up and go to your camera app. Next, point the lens of the camera at the QR code. A link should pop up. You can click on this and it will bring you to your instructional video. Now, if your QR code is not scanning, you might have to go into the camera settings and enable the scanning of QR codes. If your camera app is unable to scan QR codes, you'll have to go into the App Store and download a QR code scanning app. Now we're going to go over how to scan a QR code using your iPhone or Apple device. Start by opening your camera app, point the lens at the QR code. A link will pop up that you can click on and will bring you to your instructional video. So that's the quickest and easiest way to get to your installation video.